In this video, I'm gonna show you guys a strategy that's gonna help you get a very high win rate when trading gold and US30. I'm talking about a 60, 70, even 80% win rate in the markets. Doesn't matter if you're scalping, intraday trading, or swing trading. Let's go. What's up, guys? Okay, let's get into the strategy. For this strategy, you're only going to need one indicator on your chart. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is in a second, but it's very important for you guys to understand that if you want to follow the strategy and get the very high win rate, I'm talking 60, 70, 80% win rate, you have to make sure that you guys are following the strategy perfectly and not deviating from it, guys. This is very, very important. So you can't go and follow the strategy 70% and expect to have the same win rate I do when I trade in the markets. This is very important. So guys, for this video, make sure you follow everything and let's get into the video. Let's show you guys the strategy I'm talking about. All right, guys. So for this strategy, what you need to do is you need to use Elite Algo version 28, guys. We have version 29 over here, but that's not released yet. That's a beta. I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video. That should be coming out next month. I'm excited. So I just want to show you guys a little sneak peek to it. So for this indicator, guys, it's very important. These are the settings that you're going to want whenever you're starting to trade with Elite Algo. So we're going to go into the settings right now. I'm going to show you guys my exact settings for this strategy that's going to work on all indices, all forex pairs, crypto, stocks, you name it. Right now we're on US 100 and we're on the 4-hour time frame, but this works on any time frame, guys. So for scalping, intraday trading, swing trading, I'm going to show you guys examples on every time frame so you guys know exactly what you're looking at when it comes to this strategy. All right, guys, so for the settings for this strategy, it's extremely important that you guys have the same settings as me. So let's go ahead and do that right here. So what you want to do here is go into the settings page. It's going to look like this. You want to have it on trend plus AI, and you want to have it on sensitivity between 10 and 20, guys. I like having 15. It's a nice middle ground for me, but you guys can choose whatever you like and whatever you prefer. For the agility, I keep it on autopilot, but you guys can play around with that as well and see what gives you the best signals that you'd like the best on your charts here. Okay, next we want to turn on the Echo Cloud, Trend Sniper, turn on the dashboard, and we also want to make sure that the order blocks are turned on as well. Right over here, guys, we just want to make sure that they are turned on by clicking this button right there. And then this, we can either have it 2, 3, or 4. That just means how many order blocks would you like to see on your charts. So for us, let's just put 4, but this is not really super important. You can have whatever you like there. It's just how many order blocks you'd like to see on your charts at one time. Press OK. So your charts are going to look exactly like mine right here. You're going to have your order blocks, you're going to have the trend cloud, and you're also going to have the trend sniper. So this strategy is extremely simple to trade, guys. What you want to do is the first thing you want to look at is you want to go see if the echo cloud is either green or red here. If it's green, then you only want to be looking for buy opportunities. So you're only going to be following the buy signals. You're not going to be following the sell signals if the echo cloud is green. This is very important, okay? If the echo cloud is red, then you're only following the red signals and not the buy signals. So that's very, very simple to understand. Now let me show you guys exactly how you guys would do the strategy perfectly here, guys. So for example, let's go back to the signal right here at the time it was given. Remember, this algorithm gives you signals in real time, so it's going to show up like this on your charts. If you guys want it to be alerted every single time that a new alert is given, I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video how you guys can set an alert and be notified every time a new alert is given. All right, guys, so back at the strategy here, what we want to do is we want to wait for a brand new signal to appear, just like we see right here, guys. And next, what we want to do here is very simple. We just want to make sure that the echo cloud is green again. And we also want to make sure that the trend sniper is also green right over here. Once we see that the trend sniper is green, the echo cloud is green, next, what we want to do is simply just go ahead and take that trade. But before we take that trade, we got to set our stop loss and take profit levels. This is very important. We never take a trade without knowing an exit plan for our trade. It's extremely important to have a stop loss and a take profit in mind whenever you're taking a trade. So to set those up and get the best possible stop loss and take profit levels, you take the long position size tool here, and then what you want to do is the stop loss has to be underneath the last swing low. We can see that the last swing low is right over here, guys. So this is absolutely perfect. Next, we see that the take profit, what we want is at least a 1 risk reward ratio, but ideally we'd like a 1.5 or a 2. So we don't want to trade if it's less than 1, but ideally we look for a 1.5 or 2 risk reward ratio. The number is shown right over here when you use the position size tool. So this is our trade right here. This is very, very simple. One last thing we can take a look at to make sure that this is going to be a good trade is we can take a look down here. Is the market volatility high, and is the market strength high? If it's above 50%, that means there's a very good chance that the market is going to continue in the trend that it's currently in. And if the market is very volatile, then it's going to tell us that there is a lot of volume in the market and it should relatively finish our trade very soon. So this is how it's going to go here. We're going to press play and we're going to see that this trade is going to automatically hit our take profit extremely fast right there. Very, very simple trade that we get taken. Now, a couple of things that we add to this trade to give you even more confirmations is the order blocks, guys. There's a reason why we add them to our charts. So we see right over here, we had an order block that was printed. The price went back up and retested this order block before giving us another buy signal. This gives us another confirmation for that trade, guys. This tells us that this trade has a lot of confirmations in place for us, and it's going to be a very, very good trade if we take it. So that's pretty much how the strategy goes. I'll show you guys an example this time shorting the market so you guys can see how it looks like for buy signals and for sell signals. All right, guys, so here's an example of a short signal that we'd like to take over here. We see that we have a sell signal that just popped up. We see that the echo cloud is red, and we see that the trend sniper has also turned red. This is very important. We see that the price went up and almost touched our order block over here, which kind of gives us another confirmation for our trades. And we see the market volatility is high, so we know we have a lot of volume in the market. So this is exactly what we want here. So take the short position size tool right over here. We set our stop loss and our take profits. Our stop loss is behind the last swing high. So right over here, guys. And our take profit, again, we're looking for at least a 1, but ideally a 1.5 or a 2 restore ratio. So we're looking at something like this right here. This is 1.5 right over here, guys, at the order blocks down here. So at the demand levels. And we press play and we can see the price is going to shoot all the way down and it's going to hit our take profit right over here, guys. Boom, we just made money in this trade. Very, very simple strategy to follow when you're trading anything on TradingView. So whether you're trading gold, US30, US100, Forex, crypto, stocks, you name it. Now, I showed you guys this on the 4-hour time frame, and I'm going to show you guys this on the 5-minute time frame for scalping because there is an extra step that we need to add for this if we're trying to scalp the markets using this strategy. Okay, so over here, we're on the 5-minute time frame right now. And we see we have a strong buy right over here. We have a green echo cloud and we see the trend sniper turn green as well right over here. So this is all the confirmations that we need in order to scalp. But there's actually one more confirmation that's extremely important whenever you're trading with the strategy if you're on the lower time frames. And this confirmation is extremely simple. So what you want to do is simply just go to a higher time frame like the 4-hour or the daily. And we just want to make sure that the last candle is either green or red. We see that it's a green candle, so this gives us the confirmation that we can take this buy signal. If that candle was red, then we're not taking any buys on the 5-minute time frame. This is very important because we want to match the higher time frames so we can trade with the trend, guys. This is very important. Now, one more thing also is this is going to happen to you guys in the trades here. So let's say, for example, here we set our stop loss and our take profit. So our stop loss is going to be slightly below the last swing low, which will be right over here. And for our take profit, we're targeting 1.5. So this is sometimes going to happen to you guys. We're going to see that the price is going to go up and we got a sell signal. This is not telling you to sell. This is just telling you that there's a sell signal, so it could be a possible retracement. But we're in this trade, guys. We have to stay in this trade until the stop loss is hit or the take profit is hit. We do not get out of this trade. This is very important. I see a lot of you guys making this mistake. You guys get emotionals and you end up exiting thinking that the price is going to go down. But no, there's a reason why we're trading with a trend. It's so we hop on the big trend overall and end up pushing past these small sell signals and eventually hitting our take profit. Like what's going to happen right over here, guys. So we get another signal right there, and eventually the price is going to go up and smash our take profit right over here, guys. This would have been a winning trade for you. Very, very simple way to trade the strategy again, guys. And that's pretty much it. Now, for the update that we're doing, let me show you guys exactly what we're doing. This is coming out next month, but I'm super excited, so I'm going to show you guys a little sneak peek right now. Okay, so check this out, guys. We've added multiple different features. So for the signal logic, we now just not only have the normal mode that we're all used to, we also have a pro scalper mode. So this pro scalper mode is designed to give you better signals on lower time frames. So if you guys are type of traders that like to scalp the markets, this is going to help you a lot here by using the pro scalper instead of the normal mode. So that's going to increase your win rate for sure in the markets. Next thing we added, guys, is we added the signal ranging market filter. You can turn this on, and what this will do is you can customize it to void out ranging signals that are currently in the market. So if the market is ranging and it's giving you a signal while the market is ranging, then you can use that function right there to filter out some of the signals that the algo is giving you. So you get less signals in ranging markets and more signals in trending markets, which will help your win rate again, guys. All we're doing here is we're trying to make it as easy as possible for you guys to have a very, very high win rate in the markets when you're trading. Next, guys, we go down all the way down here, and we added a couple more things right down here in the custom alert creator. So we added the ability for you guys to create alerts based on a specific strategy. So for example, if you only want the signal to be given to you when the trend sniper is green and the echo cloud is green, then you can do that right over here with this custom alert creator. So you can set very, very customized alerts for yourselves and create a pretty much what you can use this for, and what most people use this for, is to actually create a auto trading bot with Elite Algo. So to have the Elite Algo trade for you, so you don't have to monitor it in the market. So you can set something up like this using third-party programs for TradingView, like 3Commas or Pine Connector, for example, if you guys are used to it. There's going to be more of a guide coming out with this once this gets released next month, but that's pretty much it for the update. I'm super excited. There's gonna be a lot of changes. It's a lot of good changes for you guys. You're gonna like it a lot. And that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, subscribe. And other than that, guys, if you want access to Elite Algo, all you gotta do is simply just go on our website, elitesignals.com, and simply sign up for access over here. And then once you sign up, you're gonna get access to all our indicators, our Discord server of over 50,000 members, and professional traders showing you exactly what they're doing, so you can learn from them as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you have any comments, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll answer every single question you guys have. Thanks, guys. Have yourselves a good day. Bye.